How to fix a critical error has occurred in Leagues of Legends. First step, open Task Manager, click Process tab, search for your client and Leagues of Legends. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Next step, open Riot Client, click Profile Icon, click Settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the Leagues of Legends. Click it, scroll down, click Repair and click Start Repair. Wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. Once the verification is complete after, click OK. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot Client and Leagues of Legends. It should be enabled in both private and public. Riot Client. It should be enabled in both private and public. Search for Leagues of Legends. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means you need to click Allow another app in the bottom side. Click Browse. Go to C drive, Riot Games, Leagues of Legends. Scroll down. You get the Leagues of Legends. Click Add in the bottom side. Enable both private and public. Once complete after, click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Next step, run Leagues of Legends as administrator. Right click Leagues of Legends. Click Properties. Click Compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Next step, open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click it. Click Properties. Click Tools. Click Check and scan the drive. Wait for some time until it complete. Successfully scanned. Click Close. Click OK. Next step, search for CMD. Right click. Click Run as administrator. Type the following text: SFC space slash scan now. Click enter. And wait for some time. The verification is ongoing. Once the verification is complete after, exit it. Last and final step, click Settings. Click System Settings. Click it. Click Display Settings. Hold down. Click Graphics Settings. Hold down. Search for Leagues of Legends. Open it. GPU preferences depends on you. You can set it as depends on your need. And the optimization of the window game, it should be in turn on mode. Make sure it restart your device. Thank you.